All right, one final example here. So what I would challenge you to do is maybe pause the video for a second, see if you can get this graphed and try to write the equations, and then start the video to see if you're on the right track and see if your work matches mine. All right, so my work, we're going to write our equation. Sorry, pen problems, give me a second. Sometimes it doesn't like my pad. Here we go. Okay, let's try again. All right, so my equation, f of x equals, we're going to have 2. We're going to have one with a negative 2/3 slope and one with a positive 2/3. And we're going to have a vertex. Remember, we always take the opposite of the x and keep the y the same. So it's going to be 1, 2 is our vertex. The fact that our a value is negative tells me that this graph is going to open down. So my rise is 2 and my run is 3. So my first points are going to be here and here. And I could go down 1, 2 more and go over 3. And then down 2 over 3. And that's sort of a quick sketch, not so good, of my absolute value graph. All right. So with this one, we see that on the left side, I have a slope of positive 2/3. That's going up on the left side. On the right side, it's going downhill, so that's my negative 2/3 slope. So when I write my equations, the positive 2/3 slope is going to be the top equation, and then negative 2/3 slope is going to be the bottom equation. For this first one, I did a really bad job of graphing it. But it shouldn't be crossing at an integer value. So what we're going to need to do is use our point slope form with our vertex. So we'll say y minus 2. So remember our vertex is up here, 1, 2. So y minus 2 equals 2/3 times x minus 1. So we're going to distribute the 2/3, and we get 2/3 x minus 2/3. Right, so 2/3 times negative 1 is negative 2/3. We're going to add 2 to both sides, but we need to rewrite that with a common denominator, right? It's really a 2 over 1, so multiply top and bottom by 3 gives us a positive 6 over 3. So we get y equals 2/3 x. Negative 2 plus 6 gives me a positive 4 over 3. So you see that it probably really should have crossed a little above 1. I'm going to say plus 4/3. And that's for all the x values less than or equal to the vertex value of 1. All right, on the right side, I also cannot tell what the y-intercept is, so I'm going to have to solve for it. So I'm going to say y minus 2 equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. Distribute your negative 2/3. Add your 2. Right, again, common denominator would make this a positive 6 over 3. So we have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8/3. So we're going to go back to our equation. I'm going to say plus 8/3. And so 8/3 is 2 and 2/3. So if I drew this going up a little bit, it should go up through something close to 3, but not quite 3. And so this equation, this with a negative slope, is for all the values where x is greater than 1. Hope these examples help. If not, please reach out to me and I will help you out. And then try out your assignment on writing equations of graphs that you'll find in It's Learning. And I will talk to you Thursday.